After the financial crisis, you said that young adults who were postponing household formation by living with parents or in-laws would eventually get sick of that arrangement, and that we would start to see normal rates of household formation once the job market improved, or even if it didn't. Jobs are now more plentiful, yet household formation still continues to be below rates thought to be normal, whether because of high student debt, a shift in attitudes about homeownership, or stricter mortgage terms for first-time buyers. Could something more secular be going on where household formation rates relative to the population could continue to be lower than historical rates? Could the U.S. become more like Europe, where many adult children live with their parents or in-laws for quite some time? Or do you think still that the subdued rate of household formation is mostly a cyclical phenomenon, and that the rate will eventually revert to the historical mean, boosting single-family home starts and earnings for this group of companies?
Yeah, I don't know the answer, obviously, but I think the latter is more likely. And I may be wrong. When's the last set of figures you've looked at in that connection? I've heard that it's turned up a fair amount in the last 6 months, but have you seen anything on that, Johnny? Or?
Nothing really recently, no.
Yeah, I should know the figures, but I don't for the last 6 months or 9 months. But my impression is that they had turned up somewhat. I did my best on selling that ring in the movie to that guy. They're going to form a household here in another month or two, to which I've been invited. But the truth is, I don't know what's going to happen on household formation. I would expect, but I expected it earlier than this. I would expect it to turn up. It always turns down in a recession, and you can argue that we're not all the way back from the recession yet. Your guess would be as good as mine, Charlie.
I feel exactly the same way, but I think I speak for a lot of members of the audience when I say I have some grandchildren that I wish would marry somebody suitable promptly.
What's the reason for your interest, Charlie?
I don't think it's healthy for these people to hang around looking for pie in the sky or whatever the hell they're doing.
Are they in attendance today?
So I don't know, some of them maybe. I don't want to name names.
No. I think you've already been pointed enough. Okay.